Hi guys, it's Art, Foreign MRE, and today I've got the new 24-hour Kazakhstan menu number 1, and I'm going to do the lunch portion, and this is what I chose for lunch. 250 gram can of rice and beef, 250 gram can of pork and beef, 50 grams of crackers or biscuits, 25 gram package of apple jam, apple butter, package of coffee, 10 grams of sugar. Okay, so I heated up the mains. I put them in boiling water. I let them boil for about 5 minutes. So let's open up the crackers. The only thing I didn't like about the mains, they had no pop tops. So you have to use a can opener. Check these out. These look really good. And they're a little bit hard, but not too bad. And then we have the apple jam or apple butter. We have the coffee. All right. Pour the coffee in. Looks really good. Smells really strong. Very powdery. There's no granules in there. Okay, and then we have the sugar. And this ration came with no utensils, no problem. We have the ForeignMRE.com spork. So let's give it a stir. Okay, so let's try the beef with rice. It's got a really good flavor to it. You can taste some garlic, some basil leaves, salt, but doesn't appear to be a lot of meat in there. But it's pretty good. So let's try a cracker. Looks like we got a few little pieces of meat. And that cracker is very, very crunchy. All right, so let's try the beef with beans. Not sure what kind of beans these are. Look like some large beans. And it actually tastes pretty damn good. I don't really see any beef in it, but I do see some fat. Is it beef fat? Is it pork fat? I don't know. All right, let's try the coffee. Remember, I put sugar in. Wow, coffee is very good. All right, let's try a cracker with some of the beef with beans. Set that right on top there. Try not to make a mess. There we go. Let's try a little bit of the apple butter, apple jam on the cracker. And this stuff never disappoints. This apple butter, apple jam is always good. And that's very good. I think the beef with rice is a little bit dry, but I think if we add the beans with beef to it, might just, I don't know. Maybe it'll juice it up a little bit, maybe not. But let's give it a try. Either way, I'm going to eat it for my lunch. So here we go with the beef with rice, beef with beans. And that definitely does make it taste a lot better. So rating this ration, the beef with rice, I give it about a 5, 5.5. You know, this is the new 2024 Kazakhstan ration. It has new menus, but the beef with rice is dry. Now the beans with beef, couldn't find any beef, but it does have some fat, so I'm assuming that's beef fat. Now you mix that with the beef and rice, and it's pretty good. Now the crackers are good. They're very hard. Could break a tooth with it. The apple butter or apple jam, I mean, it's a perfect 10, and the coffee's a perfect 10. So overall, mixing the two mains, I give this lunch probably 8.5, maybe a 9. So that's going to be it. Don't forget to join. Don't forget to go to the homepage, click on the join button, and for less than $1, you're entered in contests. You get to see videos before other people see them. The contest consists of rations, some foreign rations, some American rations. You just don't know what you're going to get. But for less than $1 a month, it's a great deal. So that's going to be it for the new 2024 Kazakhstan 24-hour menu number 1 lunch portion. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.